Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do or how to create a doodles for your picture with iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your photo library right here, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to create the doodles on. And after that you just need to go click and make sure that this features is active or appear on your screen, and then you just need to go click the edit one. To have a pen to do a doodling, you just need to go click at this symbols, and now you have an access into the pen features, and you can just choose which pen that you want to use for the doodle. And then if you want to use this, don't forget to choose the color by go click this part. You can choose the color that provided by the iPhone itself, or you can also get a new color by go click this color picker and adjusting the colors that you want to have. And after you got that, you just need to go click X, and you can just start scratching the screen with the doodles that you want to add. So let's say if you want to adjusting the size to, go click it, making the bigger size, and here is the time to do a doodles. So you just need to scratch the screen with everything that you want to have for your doodles. And after you're done with everything, you just need to go click done. And there we go. That's the way how to create the doodles for your picture only with the iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.